go this one, mango shake. So yeah, that's the Ernesto Besto. Oh. Hmm? Badminton? Oh, di ba may mayroon tayong badminton? They have the Starbucks and Kiil Steve's restaurant. So that's the Baulong restaurant.
You have Starbucks.
Yeah. Nice scenery, right?
Yeah,
It's like
in
peaceful, you know.
nighttime will be more nice with the lights
Yeah.
on. Yeah, we never get to come on this side. Cool.
Yeah, Belgian Bibles, toys for kids.
They have
Yeah.
donut,
They have Mang Inasal and Jollibee.
Jollibee is this
McDo,
one?
yeah. This one, shoe. What? Shoe Sugupsal. Shulgupsal, Shulgupsal.
Capital of
Crispy cream. Max Restaurant. So there's a lot of choices there, guys. If you guys want to visit this place, it's called Harbor Point, and that's the Manila Bay. It's it's a nice place to visit, to hang out also.
You can see the good looking yachts over there.
Yeah.
Uh,
The last time I remember we came here, it was pandemic. Yeah,
1 year. I said we haven't been here a couple of years, 3 years.
it is.
I only remember coming here in probably 2019. Yeah,
No, 2020 we came.
we did.
Hmm.
That was pandemic, remember?
Yeah,
Okay.
we did. Because this is the only place that we can come and, walk.
But this place is
Because,
right behind our backyard where we live.
yeah.
You know, like 15 minutes walk from our place, and we still don't come here. We always go on the other side.
Yeah, and there's also sunset here. Okay, so let's go to the other side. Oh, I think this is closed already here. We need to go to the other side if you want to walk across.
But look
The-
at this. What do you look? You see this gray? Nice, right?
This
Nice
also
yacht.
what is this? Angel Bar and Restaurant. Oh, so this is the
Great.
restaurant right here.
Yeah.
Ah, you have a nice view. So,
Look, that's a nice one over there. That's a nice one. This is a dinner too.
yeah.
Like this one's great. And this one over there on the right.
Yeah.
Neither do I. So that's okay. Is this yours? You go the other side or what?
Yeah, we'll go. So far, time. When night time is better.
Very 22.
Let's see the menu.
Yeah. What time they close over here?
2
B22?
Wow.
Yes po, 13:20.
Okay.
So they close at 2 o'clock in the morning. So we have a lot of time.
So, start open, anong oras na?
2.
2 sa afternoon.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, this is like
Pag
12
Friday,
hours.
Saturday, 2 p.m. and 4 a.m.
So, they have pizza, Pinoy platter, classic platter. It's a lot of choices.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then, magkano isang bucket na ano nyo?
650 po, 6 na peraso.
One bucket sa 650. Not bad.
And acoustic live band. Dalawa po
May
banda
disco
namin.
din ba dyan?
Birthday.
Wala na po. Pero
Wala
banda
nang
po meron.
Band lang, walang disco. Before, di ba meron
Dati
before?
po.
Ah, so there's no disco anymore. It's just a
Oo.
band.
Hindi po nag-ano,
So band every night? Every night or weekend?
Every night.
Every
Every
night
day.
sa a band. I see.
Okay.
So lahat dito wala nang disco o ano?
Wala na. Banda
Ah,
na lang.
Okay.
Pero
So,
ano naman po yan, acoustic tsaka live band.
okay. Ah, acoustic na light band.
Dalawa.
Okay.
Pagkas ng acoustic, live band naman. Full band.
Oh, we need to check it out.
Okay, yeah. We can check
Mamaya
this place.
kung ano po kayo din, maririnig niyo.
Saan bang entrance niyan? Ah, okay. So, isang buo ba yan?
Opo.
Ah, okay.
Iba
Yeah.
po yun dito sa baba.
Ah, yun sa taas lang lahat yun.
Opo, sa ano.
Ah, that's the second floor.
Yeah, I know. So
All
look,
of
there's
that.
another one there. Cafe Mimia.
Copy.
Cafe
Mima. Since 2019. Most of this is it's not it's just like coffee shop. They also have shake for 150. So this one is Cafe Mima. They open since 2019.
Since 2019?
Yeah, they have
So it's new?
they have tapsilog and burger sandwich. Since most of this is food, like it's a lot of
The fish.
choices. Pasta, which one?
Pasta, yeah.
Bangus. Shake for 150. This is the This is the one. It's very green. It has a plant all over. B22. Let's go. Let's take a walk the other side. Come. Yeah. We need to go out from here. It has also parking area here. And the P bottom right there.
Remember using this paper? Where are we going?
Yeah, we need to go that way. So yeah guys, this is nice,
It's
huh?
not bad place, you know.
Yeah.
Especially when they have a bathroom also. They
Yeah.
have different kinds of cuisine.
Tazima, there's a Tazima right there.
Yeah, they have Korean food and then
Korean
they have,
barbecue,
Korean and then what is it? Yeah, they have Jollibee.
Jollibee, Mang Inasal. Yeah. This place, it's just a walking distance from Star City.
Yeah. 10-15 minutes from Star City.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's Star City on the other side.
Just this one. Just this one is straight Star City.
But the garbage is here. Where they go? So they don't have McDonald's. Yeah, they used to have KFC. I don't see that either. The next was, I think, KFC. They closed.
We are in this one. We need to.
So they don't come out.
There's also Max Restaurant and this one, donuts, Krispy Kreme. Yeah, donuts and coffee. So this is Harbour Square. So I thought it's Harbour Point. This one name, Harbour Square.
And that's Star City.
Yeah, that's the Star City.
Right there, yeah. That's an amusement park, a place. I think this was
Huh? The what? That's far. The one that the building, CC, ano ba yun?
So how do we go back inside? Oh, we cannot? Oh, we need to go all the way over there to go inside then.
Yeah.
Ah. Why did they close it? Just another bar and restaurant. Angel.
Yeah, this is the recreation power pot. They have buses and Angel Restaurant.
Yeah.
Look at this, they're cute. Alright guys, so